This video is completely made by AI in a few minutes. Begin with an attention.
You can make this type of news video in your phone or PC in a few minutes. Actually, it's not free, but I will tell you how to use it free and remove watermark. So watch till end. First of all, open this website on your phone or PC. I am using PC because it would be easy to explain. Open this website and sign up. You will get a free trial. Click on templates and search for news. There you will get a couple of templates. Select one of them. Click on create video. There you can edit every element on the screen. There is feature of text to speech. So I am writing the script. Now I am editing the text on screen. There are a lot of options you should try. Then click on render. But the problem is that you can just render only one scene, but we have 4 scenes. So first render first scene and download it. Then go to home page and open your draft. Delete the first downloaded scene and render again. Now the second scene will be render. Then download it. Now the second problem is watermark on the clip we downloaded. Open any editing software. I am doing that in my phone. Export all scenes. Add this news background music and keep the volume nearly 15%. That's link in description. Then to remove watermark, add overlay of your logo or news logo. Adjust it properly on the watermark. Now your video is ready. Name of website is Alloy AI. After free trial and sign up again by using TempMail. Enjoy.